Amazing journey from 14 mol L to 6.5 mol L after 2 months of a long-term diabetic. After nearly 7 years of diabetes, this woman found a benign solution to stabilize blood sugar, eat well, sleep well, and a healthy life after 3 months. Ms. Dahlia was born in 1958, is a hardworking office worker with good health. Surprisingly, 7 years ago, diabetes with a series of unexpected complications came causing her health to seriously decline. I never thought I had diabetes, and even more unbelievable that the disease had turned into a complicated stage. Dahlia sharing. She found out she had type 2 diabetes at the end of 2015. At that time, her index was up to 14 points and her health was very bad. It's getting worse day by day. There were nights when she had to urinate 4 to 5 times, couldn't sleep, had difficulty moving her limbs, and her eyes were fading. She felt horrible. She went to many places for treatment, but it only cost more money, but the disease did not improve. She also took a lot of medicines, but it didn't reduce much and even got worse. There are times her heart rate is fast, sweating, blood sugar changes suddenly, she can't do anything. Meanwhile, symptoms such as nocturia and numbness in the limbs did not improve. The sugar index remained high above 14 points. If I don't treat it, I'm afraid of complications, but if I do, I don't know if it's the right choice or a waste of money, she said dejectedly. Although discouraged, but with determined, Mrs. Dahlia finally found an effective and benign solution to stabilize blood sugar after many years struggling with diabetes. The solution is an effervescent tablet called SATOCHI. According to Mrs. Dahlia, she knew about this solution thanks to her cousin who is studying abroad in Japan. SATOCHI is an effervescent tablet for diabetes, applying advanced Japanese nanotechnology. It has completely natural ingredients and contains corosolic acid, which has the same effect as insulin, to help stabilize blood pressure and prevent complications. The product has been tested by the FDA, so it is very safe and has no side effects. Currently, this effervescent tablet is trusted by many Asians, especially Japanese and Filipinos, because of its convenience and quick effect. People with diabetes in Japan do not abuse drugs or inject insulin directly into the body. They often drink SATOCHI to help lower blood sugar. After 2 weeks of use, her symptoms such as nocturia, frequent urination, and dizziness gradually decreased. Her blood sugar index decreased from 15 to 16 to 12 points. She saw the improvement without any side effects, so she continued using it with confidence. After 2 months of persistent use every day, her blood sugar index has decreased from 14 to 6.5. The doctor said the glycemic index was good and advised her to continue using it to stabilize blood sugar in the long run. After getting rid of the fear of type 2 diabetes, Mrs. Dahlia also gave advice. To those who have diabetes, I recommend you to use the SATOCHI product to stabilize blood sugar, prevent complications, and have a healthy, happy life.